This video shows how to buy shares of BlackRock TCP Capital Corp, ticker TCPC, listed on NASDAQ, and gives a brief overview of the company. BlackRock TCP Capital Corp is an investment firm that finances and invests in middle market companies, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To purchase TCPC, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds to your account before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TCPC to find BlackRock TCP Capital Corp. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the official stock page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Always double-check the ticker TCPC and the NASDAQ exchange before moving forward. Tap or click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may not execute immediately, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for review. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to open the platform and follow these steps.